I'm sure most of you that follow our website have seen this tree before. This is our iconic Monterey pine. The backstory of the drama of the resurrection with this tree is that when we originally got it, it was not healthy. We transplanted it, got some nice health growth on it, and then turned it over to Ryan Neal to do some styling with it. We wanted to get a more contemporary look out of it. Because it was this kind of insipid, static design. It had a lot of interest with the Nabari and a lot of interest with the trunk. But in terms of the overall design of the tree, it was a blob on a stick. So we're getting a little bit more dynamic appeal and image with this particular design, where we're kind of offset with the majority of the weight of the foliage to one side. We did get some hate mail about that. Some people didn't particularly care for that restyling of it. But as we continue to work with this tree and identify the foliage pads and build a scaffolding, we think that was a correct choice on Ryan's part to pursue the design that we are. This tree is Yamadori. Although pines, Monterey pines are readily available in nurseries, and they use them for Christmas trees and that sort of thing. They're one of the #1 timber crops worldwide, particularly in Australia and Africa. But this particular one is Yamadori. It's not a nursery tree at all. It was collected by Katz Kinoshita in a Del Monte forest off of private property, and he donated to the collection some years ago.